Hey, have you checked out ABS and the Winter Luxury School experience? Okay, so picture this. You land in Paris, the ultimate city for luxury and culture.
I love Paris, yeah!
First stop, a perfume workshop where you create your very own scent. It's a total deep dive into the French know-how. Then it's time for ABS classes, inspiring professors, conversations that get you thinking, and students from all over the world who can open your eyes to new perspectives. But the Winter Luxury School experience? Oh man, it's not just about learning, it's about living the French way. We're talking about amazing cheeses, diving into the Paris's rich history, and of course, a boat ride down the Seine with the best view in the world. Seriously, come on. Where else could you learn and live this at the same time? So you tell me, what do you think?
Honestly, it's like tasting all of France. It makes you want to explore the whole country.
I've been learning so much, and I get to experience the real Parisian lifestyle.
I'm living with epic memories, amazing people, and a whole new perspective.
You know what? Living in Paris is like a dream.
Join ABS, it's the best school ever. Trust me, it's the croissants alone that are worth it.